Easy Learning family, welcome back to another GitHub video on this channel. If you are new here, I'm Eric Patterson. I'm thrilled to have you join our growing community. Before we deep dive into today's topic, if you haven't already done so, make sure you hit this subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you never miss any video, because we always publish interesting video about Linux DevOps and AWS. We cover everything like I'm mentioning, from Linux, DevOps to also all the AWS. But enough about that. Let's get into today's video. But before we jump in, let me remind you to connect with us on Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, LinkedIn, and also Instagram. We would love to hear from you, to have your thought. All right, for today, let's jump into this video. Now, today we are going to talk about how to open an account in GitHub. So for you to be able to collaborate and do everything in GitHub, you need an account. So it's just like Facebook. For you to collaborate with your family, with your friends, you need to open like a Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok account. So today we walk you through step by step into how to open a GitHub account. Now, let's go on. Now, to open a GitHub account, simple. You can go on Google, or you can just have to type github.com. So you come here, you type www.github.com. So this is the main platform of GitHub. It is called github.com. So type www.github.com. It takes you here. This is the platform. You just have to come here and hit this button. If you already have an account, you can click here to sign in. But if you don't have an account yet, which is what I'm going to show you today, you can go ahead and just click here, sign up. It's going to type message, and the only thing you need to do is to go ahead and provide your email address. It can be any type of email. So I will go ahead here and provide email address here. Press your email address, you hit continue. Now you create a password. Just have to create a password. So I will go ahead and enter the password. So you just have to click continue here. Then you need to enter your username, right? You need to enter your username. So let's just call it Dell support, for example. I'll use this as the username, call it Dell support. You can put any username. Make sure to use a username that you will not forget. Continue. Dell support username may only contain alphanumeric. Okay, it doesn't like the underscore. So let's call it Dell support, right? Let's just use a simple username, Dell support. So we continue with that. And if you don't have to click this, but if you want to receive associational product, this is just like a commercial, right? Announcement. You can check here, but you don't have to check here. Good. So you have everything here. It will show you everything listed. Check that everything is good. Protection, they are going to ask you to verify, right? Then say, please solve this puzzle, right? Please solve this puzzle. So, and your puzzle might not be my puzzle here. So make sure that you might not be the same. So here it's just asking me to match the angle. As you can see, this is the referral object. So I need to turn this car around to match this angle. So if I go one time, as you guys can see, it matched the angle. I can go ahead and submit. So one done. So it's telling me here I'm done. Now I can go ahead and create my account. They just make the puzzle to make sure that you are a human being, so that people don't use script to go ahead and create this. So you could go ahead and create an account. Now, when you create an account, what happens is that they're going to send actually a passcode on the email, and you just have to use that passcode to be able to get into GitHub. It's just as simple as it is, right? I will go ahead and open the Gmail to actually take the passcode and use it. So simple. I will go ahead here. I'll open it on a different screen because I don't want to actually share that with you guys. So let me go fetch the passcode. Give me 1 second. Okay, I already have the passcode. It's going to be 077000063. That's the passcode. And as soon as you type the passcode, it will just go ahead and open it for you. And you just have to ask like a few questions here. How many team member do you have on your team and all this? So for now, I can just say just me, then continue. And you just have to, what specific feature are you interested in GitHub? So you can pick anything here if you want, but this does not really matter because later on, you can go ahead and activate this feature again if you want. I keep telling you more stuff. Here you need to, like for enterprise, for example, that's like a team collaboration and everything. You can pick this if you're working for a company, but if you just want to work on your own on GitHub, just go ahead with the free version. And that's it, guys. That's it. That's GitHub. You just open GitHub. And on the next video, I will show you how to create a repository, pull requests, and others. It was a pleasure having you guys around. If you like the video, if you like the content, please go ahead and like it. And also don't forget to subscribe. Like I mentioned earlier, we are also on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. See you on the next video. Ciao.